Hey everybody, Scott here from Camco. Had a question asking how do I attach my heavy-duty vinyl sewer hose to my RV internal hose coupler? Well, it's going to be a tight fit, and it should be, because you don't want it to leak. When you first buy your vinyl sewer hose, the vinyl is going to be very stiff. One thing you can do to make it more pliable is you can submerge the end of the vinyl sewer hose into hot water for around 30 seconds. That'll make it a little bit easier to work with. When connecting your vinyl sewer hose to the hose coupler, the first thing you're going to do is you're going to put your hose clamp over the hose. The next thing you're going to do is you're going to take the wire at the end of the vinyl sewer hose and you're going to slowly work it around the tapered portion of the internal hose coupler. Once you've got one full section of wire around the RV internal hose coupler, it's going to be a little bit easier. You're just going to slide the internal hose coupler all the way into the vinyl sewer hose as far as you can get it. After that, you're going to slide your hose clamp all the way up and tighten it down to secure the hose to the coupler. And that is how you attach a heavy-duty vinyl sewer hose to an RV internal hose coupler. Hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching.
Camco.net